What's package.json file? This file is the configuration file for Node.js project. You can think of it as the identity card plus settings plus dependencies list of the app. Every Node.js project must have one. This file has some main properties. First, the name, and this name property is the project or package name, and it must be lowercase and no spaces, so you cannot add space like this. If you want to add space, you can add this hyphen. And also we got here a spelling error management. I just fixed it. The second property is the version, and it's the project version. And this main property is the entry point of your app. Here it's index.js. You can change it, for example, to app.js. And since it's index.js, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So I'm gonna create index.js file and start coding inside it later. This property called scripts, and this is to add some custom terminal commands for your project. We're gonna also add some scripts later. And here, the keyword property, and this is an array of keywords to help people find your package if you publish your package. And here's the author. You can just add here your name, because here is the name of the author who wrote the project. And here is the license, and this property refers to the license for using your code. Once it's ISC is the default open source license from NPM. And finally, here's the description, and here's a short description about your project. Next lesson, I'm gonna introduce you to NPM, and you're gonna install your first package.